Black's challenge here is to kill white on the corner. White's ice space on the corner is potentially very big, so if black tries bending here and connect, then white will live very comfortably here on the corner. But of course, black can bend again here on the first line, and this will lead to a ko. But ko is not the correct answer for black. What else should black try? Actually, because black is so strong here on the outside, this actually enables this move as the first move. And surprisingly, white cannot cut off number 1. And if white cannot cut off number 1, what's left of this ice space is not enough to make a living shape. So if white plays at number 2, black can simply play at number 3, or this. Black will be able to connect back like this. And now whatever is left is not enough to make a living shape. White can also try this. This will not work. Black will be able to push through and connect. Similarly, this will not work. And there will be no ko for white to play. So quite surprisingly, after number 1, white will be dead because of black's stone here on the outside, especially this stone here on the second line. Without this stone, black cannot succeed this way. So hopefully this makes sense. If you have any questions, please let me know. Good luck and thank you for watching.